Have you ever wondered how the majestic Niagara Falls came into existence? It's a story that spans thousands of years, a testament to the unyielding forces of nature. The tale of Niagara Falls begins around 12,000 years ago, at the end of the last ice age. As the vast glaciers receded, they left behind a new world, dramatically reshaped by the ice. One of the most notable of these changes was the creation of the Great Lakes, a chain of 5 interconnected freshwater lakes that form the largest group of freshwater lakes on Earth. The Niagara River, which serves as an outlet for water from Lake Erie into Lake Ontario, was also a product of this glacial retreat. Over time, the river's course was altered by natural forces, leading to the formation of Niagara Falls. The falls are not one, but a trio of waterfalls, each with its own distinct character. The largest is Horseshoe Falls, also known as the Canadian Falls, which straddles the international border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, United States. The other 2 waterfalls, American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls, are located entirely within the United States. Niagara Falls boasts the highest flow rate of any waterfall in North America, with a vertical drop of over 50 meters. During peak tourist hours, the falls see more than 168,000 cubic meters of water cascading over their edge each minute, making Horseshoe Falls the most powerful waterfall in North America. But Niagara Falls is not a static monument. It's a living, evolving testament to the power of nature. The falls are eroding at a rate of approximately 30 centimeters per year. This natural process of erosion and the ongoing influence of the river's flow continue to shape the falls, ensuring they remain a dynamic and vibrant natural spectacle. In the 1870s, steps were taken to preserve and protect Niagara Falls, leading to the establishment of a public park. Today, the falls are not only a major tourist attraction, but also a source of hydroelectric power, a testament to the ways in which human ingenuity can harness the power of nature. In summary, the formation and evolution of Niagara Falls is a tale of natural forces at work. Born from the retreat of vast glaciers at the end of the last ice age, the falls were shaped by the flow of the Niagara River and the relentless process of erosion. Today, they stand as a testament to the power and beauty of nature, a dynamic spectacle that continues to evolve and captivate. Whether as a source of hydroelectric power or a breathtaking tourist attraction, Niagara Falls remains a remarkable testament to the power and resilience of the natural world.